Alright guys, welcome to this video. Now this is going to be the third method, which uses Facebook groups. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to actually join internet marketers. That's what IM stands for: affiliate marketers, business opportunities, make money online, work from home, all those type of groups. Right now, because the people in these groups all want to make money online, they all want to work from home, they all want to build an online business. Okay, so they are extremely targeted. Right now, you want to find more friends, because once you join these groups, this is where you can actually have a pool of people who have the same interests as you, right? And so you can actually add them as a friend, add them as a lead, right? Because as I told you, if you're starting off fresh, brand new Facebook account, where do you find people who are interested in making money online, right? You do so by joining these groups, and then by joining these groups you can find more friends, right? And because you're treating your Facebook as a business platform, your friends are your leads, are your prospects, right? They're like your joint ventures, they're your partners, right? They're your business, so on and so forth, right? So number 3, right, is a strategy where I like to call it get pitched to. Okay, because here's the thing: these groups, you hear people spam these groups every single day, every single minute almost, right? And trust me guys, it doesn't work. I don't want you to join these groups and start spamming a post, okay? Because trust me, there's already like a million other people doing it out there, right? And it's not effective. Instead, what you want to do is you want to get pitched to, or you want to get pitched to. Okay, so you want to be the prospect, right? So you want them to actually try and close you, but then because you're going to apply the 5 steps prospecting formula, which is of course reach out to them, which is of course focus on them, building that rapport, asking for permission, and closing the sale, right? You're going to be the prospect, okay? But after knowing more about what they're doing, you'll be like, hey, that's interesting, I like it, I check it out. However, this, you can talk, and then you want to share your offer as well. Okay, that is a lot more effective than you just go into the scripts and do exactly what everyone else is doing, and that's just spamming a group. That doesn't work, right? That's not the point of this method. The point of this method is for you to actually get more friends, add more friends, right? And again, these friends are in this group for a reason, right? They want to make money online, they want to build an online business. So if you can add them as a friend, they are very highly targeted, right? And of course, when you pitch to, it opens up the door for you to actually turn around and say, hey, by the way, I also have an opportunity as well. It'd be great to have you as a team. You seem like someone that you know what you're talking about, and I reckon you can make lots of money with this new program because it's free to join, so on and so forth. And be like, hey, what is it about? Bang, right? So you got from being pitched to, from being a prospect to prospecting, prospecting. Okay, so let me actually hop over to Facebook to show you exactly how this is done. So just give me 1 second. Alright guys, so all you need to do is just log into your PayPal account, and on this search bar here, just hop over here and you can just type stuff like make money online. Okay, and when you type in make money online, there are these categories here that you can filter out. What you want to do is filter using groups. Okay, and you see all these groups right here, right? Like for example, this make money online group, right? There's almost 200,000 members and there's almost 10 posts a day. 100,000 members, 40,000 members, 34,000 members. What you can do is you can just join this group and join this group. Okay, and that is it. Just join this group and join this group. You don't have to join 1,000 groups, guys, because trust me, it's overwhelming, and it's Facebook must see you as a spammer. Okay, so you want to join very like, again, like a normal person. You're not here to spam. You're here to just connect with other people, right? So you can just click in here and request to join, and that is pretty much it, right? So what I'm going to do is I want to hop over to a group that I'm already joined. So I joined this group here. It's just basically called affiliate marketing, right? That's all there is to it. There's 50,000 members in here, and I just want to show you what these groups look like. Okay, so once you actually join these groups, you will notice that there are lots of people actually just spamming everything. They're just spamming, like this person here is spamming about these juices, skincare. This person's just basically spam whatever this is. If you want to learn more, request info, right? This works, guys, if you actually have your own profile where people know you, right? But because in this group, everyone is here to market, everyone's here to spam, so it won't work, right? So look here, basically click the link below, above there, no likes, no comment, nothing, right? In other words, what I'm trying to tell you guys is the whole point of joining this group, right? If we go back to the PowerPoint, is not to spam, is to find more friends and get pitched to. Okay, so basically if I go here, for example, let's find this guy over here, right? I want to share something that I have become extremely excited about. Make a life-changing income while helping others worldwide. Team launch has begun. You like to know more? Request info. So what I can do is be like, hi Joseph, for example. If I can tag him, Joseph Maths. No, I can't. So basically just do that. Please give me more info. Boom. And I just press enter, and basically Joseph is going to reach out to me, and Joseph would actually share whatever this is, okay? And for all I know, this could be a good opportunity. But what happens here is that you're being pitched to, right? So now you found a friend. You can add Joseph as a friend, for example, right? You can go to Sarah William, read what this is, and basically go there. You can add as a friend. You can go down to this person here, Ethan, turn $4.95 to $100 in a few hours. Go to them and you can add as a friend, right? You can message them, you can check out their profile. There's a lot of things you can do, but the whole point here is not to go here and it's not to spam, okay? You want to actually read people's comment. You want to see whether they are friend worthy, right? For example, Zealand, no, this $10 opportunity, go here. Let's say, for example, you can add as a friend, or what you can do is, self-employed. Hey, it looks like a person that is in online marketing world, right? And if you want, you can just go to their profile. Let's view the profile, for example, to see whether they're a real person, because you don't want to add fake people, okay? So the last post was basically March 2017, guys. So would you want to add this person as a friend? No, you wouldn't, because chances are they are not a real person. This is probably just a bot, right? Back in 2014. So they're not posting on Facebook, so you would not add Zealand as a friend, right? So, you go here, you check out this person here, for example. I got to respond to that friend request first, but you get my point, right? So you're here to basically do research to see who you can add as a friend, who you can actually add as a potential lead, right? But on top of that, what you want to do is you also want to be the prospect, right? So for example, this person here, right? Let's say, for example, I was to view the profile, okay? And again, just to see whether this person is a real person or not, right? So 8 hours ago, they have family, they're posting, there's comments, so this is a real person, right? So what you can do is this person you can add as a friend. You could be like, please give me more info. Bang, you get pitched to, you can turn it around and say, hey, by the way, I'm also a part of this other company. It'll be interesting if blah, 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 right? So that's the whole point of Facebook group, okay? Again, you're not here to make millions. You're not here to actually refer 100,000 people, right? You're here, guys, because you need to hustle. Facebook marketing free method is to hustle, right? But you want to make sure you spend your time wisely. You don't want to just post in groups, because posting in groups does not work. I'll tell you that right now. It won't work because millions of other people are doing that right now. You want to do something completely different. You want to be the one that is being pitched to. You want to be the one that's finding potential leads so you can connect to them and so you can reach out to them and build that relationship with them, okay? You got to treat Facebook as if it's your business, right? You're not here to spam. You're not here to pitch. You're here to connect. You're here to share. You're here to give value, right? And you're here to, of course, help other friends by sharing your offer, okay? And that's how you're helping them, by sharing your offer. But before that, make sure you follow the step-by-step process. Watch all the Facebook videos again, because everything needs to be done correctly in order to get this Facebook free method working, right? If you start spamming, if you do anything incorrectly, then chances are you won't get the results that others do, okay? So that's pretty much it for Facebook group, guys. Again, the whole point is you want to join these groups, right? Not to spam, not to promote anything, but just to find more friends, find targeted leads, okay? Because when you start prospecting with them, when you start talking to them, you realize that, hey, it's pretty easy to get people to click on your link. It's pretty easy to get someone interested in a free program. And of course, when you get pitched to, right, that's just a way for you to get, to learn more about other opportunities. Again, another way for you to be rapport. But of course, the whole point of it is not to buy anything. The whole point of it is to let them know, hey, I've checked out your offer. It's pretty good, but hey, I have another offer that is free to join that is probably better. I reckon you can make more money with this offer. And if they're interested, they're interested. If they're not interested, that's fine, guys. Feel free to delete them. You're not here to, laugh and smile. You're here to make money, okay? So that's pretty much it for this method, guys. Again, it's a very simple method. You join in groups, find more friends, get pitched to, prospect them, turn it around, and that's pretty much it, okay? So again, if you're watching this video, below this module there is a network, right, called the Ninja Network, and I recommend you check it out, guys. Trust me, that course is amazing when it comes to Facebook traffic, especially free Facebook traffic, okay? You got to check it out, okay, guys? So that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next module.